right, let's start the first video of a series where I am going to show you how to live and work with Logie5, right? I see a lot of questions where people are looking for a little less strategy and a whole lot more with how do you do stuff? How do you live with it? So I thought the very first thing that I would do, because I need to do it a little bit tonight, is upload a video and show you how good that process is using Logie's AI system. So let me start sharing my screen and let's get right into it. Okay, so obviously we want to be in Logie. We want to be looking at our whatever page we were for the last project we were working on. For me here, this was a drone that I uploaded yesterday, and I'm pleased to say that I am on the page now. So for today's experiment, I'm going to show you how to upload a video for a pair of sneakers that I bought, needed, but I just decided to shoot content for anyway, because that's what we all do here on Amazon. So let's start with looking up the product and get that up on the page. I'm just going to go to my order history, do A6. Okay, so here we are. These are the sneakers that I bought because they're really great sneakers and I wanted them. But obviously, as we can see from this Logie score, this is not a great opportunity to make some money, but I still want to take a chance to make a couple bucks. Maybe I can talk my wife into letting me get more sneakers if I cover the cost of these sneakers with this video. So let's do this. Let's click upload video. So Logie has looked at my purchase history and is tagging both of these products because, as most men do, I went and I bought the first one that I saw and it was more expensive than it should have been. So we returned it and bought another pair, which were more appropriately priced. And so you could see Logie is tagging both of those products right now for this, which is completely correct. Let's click right here to upload a video file. Here is my video right here. We're going to upload it. So I'm going to tell Logie5 that I want it to use its full automation, right? I'm going to let it use my picture to create a thumbnail, all that kind of stuff. I could also create additional content if I wanted to, but right now let's just upload this. I'm going to let it use me as part of the AI thumbnail. Let's tell it to use that full automation. Now, as you can see, you need to have a gold or platinum subscription to be able to use that full AI automation. And I'm telling you, you're going to see this work. It is so worthwhile. All right, so it is now uploading the file, watching that video, looking for frames, taking a look at the context, the way I'm speaking, and it's going to give us both title, a description if you wanted to do content, if you wanted to upload it to YouTube, as well as create that thumbnail, which should really represent my conversation in the video. Okay, so it's giving us these notes. This is the AI. It's saying this is a really nice review, good energy. The support talk is super clear and useful. The firm sole is close up, great visual, feels like a practical shoe video people will trust. It's given us 4 title ideas. So we have a choice between A6 court shoe review, super supportive, why I love these A6 pickleball shoes, best court shoe for pickleball and tennis, or these A6 shoes feel amazing on court. These are really designed to be pickleball shoes, so I'm going to say why I love these A6 pickleball shoes. Seems like a perfect title to me. So if I was going to cross-post to YouTube, so here's the description real quick saying that I've tested these ASICs, so here's a typo, but you could just correct this if you wanted to, right? Let's say I took this from the title of my video, so I could go like this. You can just correct it, change it. You could add your affiliate links here as well if you wanted to do that. So it says, I have tested ASICS men's gel court shoes during a long day of pickleball and was impressed with the firm support, lightweight feel, and all-day comfort. In this video, I want to share what stood out, why I feel they're so stable, and why they perform for court sports like pickleball, tennis, racquetball, and padel, which I made fun of in this video. If you're shopping for a supportive court shoe, this review might help. What a great summary of the conversation. It gives you some key hashtags, A6, pickleball, court shoes, all great. So here are those AI thumbnail choices. So let's see. Okay, that's kind of cool, except, listen, this is the real world. This is AI. That looks nothing like a modern pickleball paddle. That might be what a padel paddle looks like. That looks kind of stupid. I'm posing with that one. Ultra firm sole, which is a big part of my conversation, and that maybe or dominate the court. Okay, I think that I look stupid in this, me, myself. But again, it is AI. I love it. I love the big dominate the court. I think this is a great basic thumbnail. I'm in the background. The product is right there, forefront and center. I really like this. So this is what I'm going to go with, the bold benefit thumbnail. So now I could tell it things that I want it to change, right? So this is, again, is the power of that AI. So what do you say we take this one and let's just do a quick demonstration for you. Put a crazy looking clown in the background. Okay. Let's test this AI out. Generate. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. Oh, I freaking love it. Do I think I should leave this as my actual thumbnail? I feel like I should leave this as my actual thumbnail. Maybe this would be like a cool thing. Somebody would see that. They'd be like, what the hell's wrong with this guy? I got to see this video. Why is there a crazy clown? You saw just how fast it will generate and change this. And I can do it again. Let's try another concept. Let's click try another concept just to keep going. Let's say, what would be fun to put in this? All right, here's a good one. Fill the water with angry alligators. Let's generate. I hope you don't use this to do stupid things like I'm doing, but there we go. How crazy is that? 2 seconds after I asked it, here is Gator Proof Grip. It even updated the title. Okay, I am absolutely keeping this. Gator Proof Grip, angry alligators in the water. You saw me do it in real time. 2 seconds. This thing is so freaking cool. Okay, so now here's a common question I hear. Can you upload it to other geos? So I'm going to tell you in all honesty, I don't use the tool yet to do that because myself, I have 7,000 videos, which I am loading to 16 geos, 25 videos at a time. It is painfully slow, but that is the process to do it. And because I want to load it to 16 geos, not the 3 English speaking ones, which are available now, I haven't been using this to upload to other geos. So you additionally have the option to load it to YouTube. As a YouTube expert, I still want a whole lot more SEO for my own personal posting, so I don't use this tool for this yet, but I keep talking to Ehud about the things that I want to be available for people to perfect their YouTube posts, and it's just not there yet. And it's just kind of not there yet. It is very good. But again, we are in the early days of this and he keeps making all these amazing changes. So if you want a basic YouTube post, you could absolutely do this right here, right now. I do a very extravagant YouTube post and this won't work for me for what I want to do. So I'm going to do US and looks like it's available in Canada. Looks like it's available in Australia. It uploaded to the USA perfectly. Here are the key things I want you to know. With Logie5, when you go to upload your video using that powerful AI, we uploaded the video. You didn't have to come up with titles. It watched your video. It gave you 4 amazing titles. You didn't have to make a thumbnail on any level. It generated a thumbnail. Now, obviously, you have to be gold or platinum, but it generated a really cool thumbnail, which we then modified to put alligators in the water behind me, and it updated the thumbnail, looked ridiculously cool, even better than the crazy clown. And then it gave you a full description. If you wanted to upload a basic upload to YouTube, I could have clicked one button and it would have gone to YouTube. Right now, as we sit here, uploading to the other geos is very iffy. Hasn't worked well for me, but at the same time, as I explained to you, I am uploading 7,000 videos to 16 geos. So the one tool that I am still using is Cha-Ching to do that because it works perfectly and simply for that. And it is a freaking huge project. So I've just not messed with that. I just keep doing it that way and I'm going to grind through my 7,000 videos. If this has seemed like it is going to make your life easier, and I can't possibly figure out how it is not going to make your life easier, but if it has struck a little bit of a nerve that it is going to make your life easier, please use my link down in the description. It includes a 50% founder discount, which is a limited time thing. So you got to get in there and join, at least on even the most mild pay version, to lock in that 50% discount, and that will last you for lifetime. However long you are going to use this software. And I could tell you, I've been in the program for 6 years. I think I had Fluencer Fruit for 3 years. I've had Oink for 2 years. Those years really do add up, and this software package is awesome. So you absolutely want to take advantage of that. If you have questions about it, put it in the comments. I'm happy to try to answer those for you. If you have other things which you haven't exactly been able to figure out and you want me to show you how to do those, put it in the comments as well. I am happy to work on that for you guys. I'm going to try to keep these first videos very functional. How do you do things? How do you upload a video, create a thumbnail, create great titles, upload it to YouTube? We just covered all that, and you can't possibly go wrong with this. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. I'll look for your questions and suggestions in the comments. I know you've already liked the video, followed the channel. I'll see you in the next one.